Hello, this is Nonna Maria. Today I'm bringing you a little sweet recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Nonna Maria 1433. Okay, next. Today in Italy is the Immaculate Conception. It's a big holiday. That's the beginning of the festivity for before Christmas, like we have it for Thanksgiving, and we do the tree for Thanksgiving night. Over there is the Immaculate or Mary, and they make Sfinge. I cut the dosage because it's only for one. I can get it to my son, for my grandchildren. So I'm just making, maybe I'm going to give some to some neighbor, but I never see anybody. But anyway, so here's the flour, a potato, one. I already mixed the yeast with the water and sugar. And this is the sugar and cinnamon that we're going to do it later. The dosage, and you can double it for your family, is 300 grams of flour, 00, 300 grams of water, 100 grams of boiled potatoes, 8 grams yeast, 1 pinch of salt, and a little sugar. And the granulated sugar and with the cinnamon for the end. But of course, I cut it in half. Okay, let's begin. Okay, we put the flour here. Like I said, I cut my dosage. And we put, it's only one little potato. Because the dosage is high. You can double, triple, it all depends on your family. And we mix it with the fork. After we mix it, also the potatoes in with the fork, we start adding the water little by little, and we're still mixing with the fork.